and welcome back to Goslings Nest YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to clean out the wood burning stove. So first you're going to grab this broom from over here and make sure it's cold before you open it. Make sure it's cold inside too. Then you're going to sweep if there's ash in, if there's ash in it, you're going to sweep it in these little holes so it goes down into the ashtray. Then you're going to close this and make sure it locks. You'll hear that popping sound. Then you're going to come down here and get this ashtray and make sure the ash is cold and put it in this bucket. And remember, make sure it's cold before you put it in the bucket. Oh, and make sure this is always open just for safety. And you have this little scoop for the ash, and you're going to scoop it. You don't want to dump it up here because then it'll make stuff come up. So you want to keep it all the way down here. So you're like touching the ground of the bucket. Then after you're done that, you're going to close this bucket. Away over here, back where it was in the corner, and put this back and make sure this locks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions. Fire safety first. Bye!